Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your SEO with Spotify detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of SEO for your music on Spotify. Identify relevant keywords related to your genre and target audience. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Spotify's own search feature to find popular terms. Incorporate these keywords into your artist name, track titles, and album names. Craft compelling song descriptions that include these keywords naturally. Make sure your profile is complete with an engaging bio and links to your social media. Utilize high-quality cover art that reflects your brand and style. Submit your music to Spotify playlists, both editorial and user-curated. Engage with your listeners on Spotify by encouraging them to follow your profile. Optimize your Spotify for Artists profile by updating it regularly. Monitor your stats in Spotify for Artists to identify trends in audience engagement. Adjust your marketing strategy based on these analytics to improve visibility. Consider cross-promoting your music on other platforms to drive traffic to your Spotify profile. Keep your discography organized and updated with new releases frequently. Collaborate with other artists to reach new audiences and improve your SEO. Utilize social media to announce new releases and link back to your Spotify tracks. Respond to listener comments and messages to build a loyal fan base. Stay informed about changes in SEO best practices and adapt your strategy accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.